Today we are making jollof rice.
So here I want to wash the chicken, so I'm going to sanitize it with a little bit of salt, then wash thoroughly. Start washing. Make sure you wash it, everything is out from it. So at this point I will on my gas.
So this is my blended tomatoes,
my chicken,
garlic, pepper, tomato, bell pepper. So this is what I'll be using to cook
everything.
jollof rice.
So here I'll start adding my ingredients. So I'll put the ingredients in the capture. So you're going to see all the ingredients in the capture. So this is my seasoning. My rosemary, my onions. I want to break my onions.
This is my garlic. Garlic, and this is my ginger, guys. So guys, you mix it thoroughly so that the ingredients can marinate very well. Steamer for about 5 minutes before you add another water to cook thoroughly. So guys, so I like to steamer. You see the ingredients are now well marinated. So at this point I will add now the hot water to cook very well. So I actually had pepper, guys. So I didn't actually film that place. So these are my who told you that if you don't have ingredients, fried rice, jollof rice ingredients, you cannot cook? Use what you have. What you have. Who knows how to cook your jollof rice, you see come out very well. So, seasoning. Wash with your hot water. Me, I first of all wash my rice with hot water before pouring it. So you see, the oil come up. I want to reduce smoking. Stay like this.
Here I added my stock water to give it that delicious taste. You know, without your stock water, your jollof rice will not actually come out very well. Then, so as well added little water from the hot water to it.
I can't imagine the aroma here. Oh, wow. Guys, can you see that? So guys, our rice is almost ready. So guys, our jollof rice is